Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to add subtitles to a video automatically with AI. In this case, we'll be using vid.io. Before we start, we have the link to vid.io in the description below so you can get a head start right after this video. Now once you're on your vid.io dashboard, you're going to look for the new project button, so click on it. So as we get to this page, it automatically provides a prompt where we can drop our files right here. So you just simply need to drag it right here, or of course you could click on choose files, but we want to drag it here because we have the file open on our folder. So we're going to drop the file right here, and you can see the blue is highlighted. That means it's ready for dropping. So we're going to do that. And now that our video is here, you just simply need to look at the sidebar, and you can see up here that it's currently uploading. And so after waiting for it to upload, you're going to come over to the subtitles and click on it. So now that it's uploaded, you're going to come over to subtitles, and right here you see the option to auto subtitle in English. You can see the language right here, and you can add translation or detect speakers, but our focus is just to add subtitles, right? So we're going to click on auto subtitle in English. Let's go ahead and click on that. And you can see that it's generating subtitles, and we'll follow the advice to grab a snack, and we'll be right back. Of course, this doesn't take much of a time. We just need to wait for a few moments for this to happen. And as you can see, you have your subtitles track added to your video. Now here, you'll see the different template styles that you can use for your video. We're going to choose this one right here called Slate. And once you select it and move it around, you see this Slate subtitle has been added to our video. Moving the playhead around gives you a preview of what it looks like, and it looks great. Don't forget to check out the link to vid.io in the description below, where you can automatically add subtitles with ease on vid.io. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.